Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hey, my name is Odyssey, but y'all, in today's video, we're doing another entrepreneur vlog. So, I don't know what's all gonna be in the video, but y'all know how I do it. I'm just record when I got something going on that's related to entrepreneur things. But today is June 1st, so I'm about to clean off my whiteboard. We're gonna set some new goals. We're gonna try to get our life together. And you know, just try to refresh. Just try to refresh for the month. So yeah, let's get it.
You know this is a priority.
Oh yeah, Benny.
Hey guys, it's the next day and I just came to the park because I wanted to get some content for my anklets, and I just been sitting out here taking pictures, getting attacked by all types of bugs, but you know, I'm enjoying it. It feels nice out here. If you watched my last video, you seen some of the anklets that I'm putting on the site, but I'm about to show y'all the two that I have right here. And let me show y'all how you supposed to, you know what I'm saying, wear it. So this is a cute little dress I got on. I got on these white shoes, but I'm about to give y'all like a better look. So I need to shave my legs, but ignore that. But this is one of the anklets. I'm sure y'all seen this one already, but yeah, it's cute. And y'all, if y'all cop one, go put on a cute little sundress, as you can tell, and you know, go to the park, go catch a vibe, you know, while you being cute at the same time. And if you do cop one, tag our Instagram page so we can see or whatever. But yeah, I just wanted to show y'all the anklets, and I'm about to take a picture of this one next, and then I'm about to get up because these bugs is tearing me up. But the view is so pretty of the park. The anklets do drop tomorrow. They drop June 4th, so make sure y'all go cop one. By the time y'all see this video, they already gonna be on the website. So yeah, y'all go cop one and show me how y'all wear it and show me y'all fits with them. But yeah, I'll come talk to y'all later. Hey guys, so today is the next day and your girl anklets dropped today. So I got 2 orders, so I'm about to pack them right quick, but I'm not gonna pack them like I usually pack them because they didn't order it on my website. So I don't have a packing slip or nothing like that. They just told me they wanted them, so I'm about to pack them up right quick. And I'm about to show y'all what they got. She got personal, cute. Somebody else, they got some anklet. She got the butterfly anklet, cute. Y'all, the anklets dropped today, so y'all go on the site and check them out. Everything turned out good. I posted my pictures and I got everything up on the website.
You know this is a priority.
Oh yeah, Benny.
Yeah, y'all, so I'm about to go drop these off right quick, and then I'll come talk to y'all later when I got an update. Hey guys, so today is the next day and I just look crazy. I didn't even feel like getting dressed, y'all. I had lashes on, but I took them off because it was bothering me, so I'm just like, bro, forget it. I'm not even gonna attempt to get dressed today. I don't know if I showed y'all my pampas grass, but I'm pretty sure y'all seen it. But I'm about to show y'all again. So your girl got this pampas grass, and I just got another one, so I'm about to put it in there with it. I ordered another one just to make it kind of like look more fuller, so I'm about to show y'all what it looked like after I put this one in here. Y'all, the niggas are outside and I need to be outside. The niggas, PSA, the niggas are outside. I just seen them. Get up right now and get dressed and get out of the house. The niggas, they out there. Oh, let me stop playing so much. Hey y'all, I'm looking crazy still. I didn't do my hair today. I didn't feel like it. But I'm about to pack this order with y'all, and then I'm in the video because I think that's all I wanted to put in this vlog. So yeah, I'm about to show y'all what she got. I got it laid out right here. It's cute. I took some little cute pictures and stuff of it. But yeah, she got 2 anklets. I'm about to show y'all. The Cuban link anklet, and she also got the butterfly anklet. Cute. So I'm about to put these in bags, and then I'm gonna put them in my packaging. But yeah, I just wanted to show y'all this order.
You know that's a priority.
Oh yeah, Benny.
I think I'm gonna end the video right here. I don't really have nothing else to put in it. But if you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And shop Odessy Beauty down below. All the links are down below. If you want some anklets, some glosses, some lashes, whatever the case may be, I got what you need, okay? I got the pretty essentials, so go shop down below. And yeah, I'll see y'all in my next video.